Hi all, welcome. This is another video where we are going to start with a new topic instead of learning and trying at the same time and creating video. I will try to get information, try to run code and try to provide more details on like selected topics. So for this today we will start with OpenCV and how to read an image in with OpenCV in Python. So we have generated code here. So for this we needed this OpenCV to this library NumPy as NP and matplotlib because it will be needed during the this upcoming lectures as well, this particular library, and Python display for images. OpenCV allow different types of images like JPG, PNG, etc. You can load grayscale images, color images, or you can also load images with alpha channel. So this kind of grayscale only images in alpha channel, where it uses OpenCV's I am read functionality, which has like syntax we can see here. So uh, also I have found that this TFF kind of images also can be read by OpenCV. I have selected this image particularly to show uh, like uh, like uh, color pattern, because it we will be mainly associated with blue, green and red, BGR. So this kind of color pattern it mostly worked on. So it these are basic color, and this OpenCV, this to know OpenCV, this kind of color pattern if you use, then it will be helpful. So for this we can directly check our image as image 1 JPG, and when we run this command. Okay, so we will need first run to this code, then this code. So this image is directly captured, it is not use OpenCV functionality as of now. So and it is part of Python display, which we can see here. From that we have read that image. Now we are going to read with OpenCV's CV2 functionality. I am read. We need to provide the name of that that particular image, and what type of image it is, if it is JPG, ING. And if you're not sure what kind of this image you have, so you can directly go here, and we can see here like item type JPG, other dimension also we can see here. So from that you can get what type of image it is. So after that PLT I am show, and we need to give what we have given name to that particular image. So it will so by this code we have read image through OpenCV. Now we need to check what is the size of that image, so for that we need image name and dot shape. We also can write that image sizes and comma one dot shape. So we will get complete answer like image sizes. So dimensions same as it is when we say cursor, just we have seen. So here we can see 900 into 1600, and 3 is for channel. So what are channels it has? So three channels. And we when we check for data type, we can get by image name and d type, unit 8. So most of the time it is unit 8 only. D type unit 8 means simply 8 byte image. If we have unit 16 means 16 byte image. 8-byte color graphics are method of storing images information in computer's memory or an image file, so that each pixel is represented by 8 bytes or 1 byte. This maximum number of colors that can be displayed at any one time is like 256 or 28. So this is additional information we can see here for type of image. Also, have you checked like our original images have like first blue, then green, then red. But when we read through OpenCV, it the color pattern is totally opposite. Like first we can see here uh, red mixture is there, then green, and then blue. So it is when that BGR in blue, green, red. This particular information saved in OpenCV in reverse manner, that is RGB, red, green, blue. So so it is not exactly the image we are looking for. So for that we need to reverse that image, and for that we need this code, image name, and we need to add this code here. So with this code we can see here we have to last write it down -1, so it will reverse that particular image. And what is the output we are getting here with plt I am show that code is exact the image what we are looking for. So we can see here the same image is what we have read. So with this one, so this is how we can read image via OpenCV. And in upcoming lectures we will try to explore OpenCV to understand more of its functionality and try to create different project soon. So it the learning and the understanding of OpenCV, we can create different project to utilize those features. So that's it for today. Thank you. We will see meet tomorrow and within next topic for OpenCV. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day. Take care.